have 5 signature right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first of all, we're gonna measure 5. So the length of the signature. I left the space right here just to tie the knot first, to tie the knot, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then so we got our 5 right here this side, and next one we have 2 covers to measure right here. It depends on like how many holes you have on your cover, right? Like mine, I have 6 up here, so I will measure 6 hole, the length from the hole to the side right here for 6 times. See? It's gonna be 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right now you get the length right here. So you have the length. We just double. Okay? Get the length right here, and then you double up for another signature right here. So right now you can have like a little bit left just in case, you know. And this is our length. I think it's gonna be perfect. So this is the thread that left. If it's too short or something, or sometime if it's too perfect, we're gonna have problem like tying the knot at the end of the binding.